Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the deal news calendar and DealSeek getting stuck or freezing when you try to go back? Here's the fix. First, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right. Pull down to refresh and look for DealSeek in the updates list. If this specific bugs, the deal news calendar getting stuck when you go back was confirmed and fixed in the DealSeek version 1.59 released July 1st, 2026. Tapping update immediately gets you the version with the fix already in it. You're already on version 1.59 or later and still seeing this issue. Force close the DealSeek app completely from your recent apps and then wait for a few hours and reopen it fresh. In most cases, the calendar works correctly after a clean session restart. If it's still stuck after that, go to settings, then go to general, iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find DealSeek, tap on it and then tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and reinsert it fresh from App Store. So all you've got to do is update DealSeek to version 1.59 or later. The calendar bug was fixed in that update and that's it. Subscribe.